You turned away without a word, but even your cold eyes felt so warm. I should have held you tighter then, didn't know it was the end.
The memories come back with pain. No matter how I try, still remain. Maybe I was just a fool, but I believed that love was true.
Because it's love, I let you go. No matter how I try, you still remain. Maybe I was just a fool, but I believed that love was true.
Because it's love, I let you go. Wished you joy, though it hurt me so. Even when my heart broke in two, I could bear it all. Because it's love, though I knew that this would be the end, I had no choice but to pretend. And the only thing I left unsaid, it was love. Because it's love. Though we're far apart today, we share the same sky anyway. Still I pray for you each night, that you're safe and warm and light. Because it's love I can't erase. You're still breathing in time and space. Even if I never see you, you're the reason for everything I do. If somehow this song reaches you, and it stirs your heart like it used to, let me say what I held inside. It was love. Because it's love. It was love. Because it's love.